Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in with your adult Microsoft account. This gives you the rights to change family settings. Once signed in, make sure the console is online and updated so changes sync. Navigate quickly. Press the Xbox button, go to Profile and System, then Settings, and choose Account. This first set of actions opens parental control options. You do this now so later steps apply to the correct account, and changes will propagate to linked child profiles immediately. Once done with Sign In, open Family Settings and pick the child profile you want to configure. You will set screen time limits, content age filters, and communication permissions. Do each one deliberately because they control what games, apps, and multiplayer the child can access. Make sure to use the option for specific time blocks if you want weekday versus weekend rules, and if you prefer granular control, note that the Xbox mobile app or account. Microsoft.com lets you fine-tune schedules and approval alerts. To finish, save all changes and test them on the child profile. Sign out and back in if needed so rules apply immediately. You should review activity reports and adjust limits based on real use, because small tweaks can prevent frustration. If something goes wrong, first confirm the adult account is listed as a parent or guardian, that the console is updated, and that the network is connected so settings can sync. Then reapply the rule or restart the console to force a refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.